Car companies want to make billions by charging subscription fees. So like we would go and buy traditionally, and here's all these line items, the desert pinstripe package, all these add-ons. And for the most part, they were hardware, right? Yep. Heated seats and so on. But now this whole software movement of upgrading via subscriptions, how do you feel listening about that? Yeah. Do you think that's kind of janky about, like, give it to me all, I want to buy it all? Or is that something you are prepared to menu style?
Well, there's always people that like to buy the vehicles and look at the options. So if now those options are expanding to be software updates or programs, that's going to be something the consumer can make a decision on.
Would you pay $5 each month to be able to lock and unlock your car from a distance through an app? Cost you $5.
Some people will.
Some people, yeah.
Yep.
But I think the premise is, why don't you just give that to me? I'll pay. I want to be done. Right? Like, I want to buy the car. I'm done. But that's the world we're moving into. That software. $25 per month for advanced cruise control, or $10 extra a month for access to heated seats. In other words, you bought the car.
Yeah,
now that's a different feeling. Like you bought the car knowing, hey, under my tuchus, there could be heated seats, but I didn't pay.
Yeah, that's not cool.
I don't think either.
No.
But that's where it's going.
Yeah, that's not cool. If it's an option that's in the vehicle and you're buying it, you should reap the benefits.
Now, unlike Netflix, you ain't going to be able to use your girlfriend's login and password, try to cheat it. It's not going to happen, but that's where it's going. It's all about like data worth gold and subscribing to the things. Real quick before we go to break, I'm going to put my daughter on the spot. I've got Natalie in. Natalie, you're going to start driving in about 4 years. Would you subscribe to all these little features, or would you rather just buy it outright?
I think that you should buy the car with no like add-ons and kind of those accessories, because if you want the car, you want it with the heated seats and with all those things, and you shouldn't be charged monthly for things that really should be coming with the car.
Bam, that's wisdom and knowledge from Gen Z.
A standard package, right?
Justin, get on 25-year. What? How would you handle that?
Well, here's the problem. We live in Arizona. You don't want heated seats for 12 months. But if I could just pay for heated seats in December and November in 2 months, $20 for 2 months.
I don't know about that, because here in Arizona, the deserts can get cold for about 5 seconds in the morning. I hear what but I think your logic is,
right?
Is there a part-time subscribe?
Right. Well, there has to be.
Month to month.
But I'm telling you, that's the approach. Car makers are really trying to streamline all this, and then these add-ons. Listen, the Godfather Mafia, Apple does it.
Mm-hmm.
Like, you can't have an app without going through the gangsters of Apple.
Their updates.
They're making, like, if you look at the P&L for Apple, what's deeper than just a P&L, all their line item statements, look at what they're making on subscription services.
Right.
Everyone's feeling sorry. Oh, that iPhone may not have sold well. Look at what they're making on services.
Right. But now if you download too many apps for your car, does it slow down the performance of other components? Like
we could go on and on.
It's like your phone gets overloaded with data.
Oh, no, you're trying
slows
to say
down. Now the car might get too much data. Well, slow down, be reset. Who knows?
Will your BMW drive faster? And then would there be like
the windows go down slower or something? The volume doesn't go up on the radio.
So at the car show of the future, here we go. Checking out the ride. Look at that hoopty. Looking good. Got everything. And then everyone whips out their phone. What do you got for the apps in your car? I mean, that's where it's going.
Yep.
That's crazy.
Yep.